Hey guys, Jade from Jade's Fluid Art. Thanks for joining me again. We're going to do a 24 by 24 and I'm going to do a flip cup with a dirty pour. So my pouring medium is the same as always. So it's 6 parts to Flotrol, 3 parts pouring medium and 1 part GAC 800. And today I am using all global paints. So I've just got a purple, so black, white, silver and some purple. Yeah. Alright, let's just get to it. So I'm going to do a dirty cup. What colour? A little bit of black. Got a little bit of silver. Yeah, let's finish that off. Okay, and now purple. Purple generally never turns out for me. It's just not my friend. But I love the look of it. So I'm not too sure if this colour takes over. We shall soon see. Those cups look just so beautiful already. I'm just going to use it all. If it takes over, we have a very purple pour. Alright, I'm going to grab my flow extender. Okay. So let's flip these. Didn't do that very well. So while that's sitting there, just going to finish off my white flow extender. So this is being made to be thinner than the rest of the paints, and I'm just going to pour it around so I don't lose all my colour. So I'll put the white around the rest of the paint and then that can flow off first. So 24 by 24, you're looking at roughly about 620 mils, so about 20 ounces. But because this does have the thick sides, I have gone to about 720 mils of paint. So in here you're looking at a little over, probably 100 mils, just a little over. So 400-ish. And then the rest I'll put in the flow extender. I haven't used Global White for maybe 6 months. And I can already see the difference. I've got little cells all through here. But, oh dear. Wow. Oh, okay. Whoa. So I will flip and lip. Oh, my gloves have gone. You can only reuse so much, can't you? All right. That's quite dark, isn't it? Let's flip and lip. I'm actually liking this, the way that meets in there. I'm not sure if I want to ruin it, but it's very dark. Let's just go for it, hey? Not a lot, just a little bit. Oh, that's gorgeous. Right. That's all right, that's all going to move off. There is plenty of paint on there. All right, let's see what we've got. Just going to get that touching. That's touched. Connect that. Didn't want to go over just yet. Oh, I actually am really liking that purple so far. Right, I'm going to just connect that, let go over a little bit. I might keep that bit of white there, I'm not sure yet. So bring it down to the centre again. I'm going to go down to that corner there. I'm going to come off this way actually. I'm going to have to change this plastic one of these days, aren't I? It's getting a bit torn up. I'm actually just walking that down a little bit. I'm not going too hard. So we'll just go over and bring that back. All right, now let's go over that bottom corner. Oh, I'm liking it. I'm bringing it back again. Right, so that's in the centre now. So we've got enough paint now to stop and have a look and see what we think. And I think I'm not too fond of this much white because there's not that much really anywhere else. So I might take it over there a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. I'm happy to lose that. Bring it straight back down again. It actually looks a bit like an open cup, doesn't it? The effect that I've got going. I'm liking that. Like it a lot. All right. Do we like this? That's the question. Do I like this? I don't want to lose too much of that though. Let's give it a little try. Bring it back to you. I've got no paint there. I can fix that, that's okay. Where's the paint? It's down that way. So let's move that across. I like that effect, so I want to keep that. I really like this. I'm probably just going to bring it back to the middle now, and then I'm going to leave it. I'm going to cool it. So just bring the weight back to the center. I'm actually going to just take that bottom line, the line that's going through the center, just bring it down just a little bit. What do we think? Yeah, I'm happy with that. So let me use the heat gun and I'll bring you in and then I'll fix up my sides. Ugh, that's nasty. All right. Okay. That section there is like an open cup. That's the effect that you get. So I've got a lot of grey, but that doesn't surprise me because I put the black in first. But I do love purple and grey, so I knew that was going to happen. And I love this section here. That whole half is my favourite. So I've got a few little cells, that's okay. That's alright. Alright, there she is. I'm pretty happy with her actually. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day and I shall see you on the next one.